Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price. Today actually I have choose this LG model which is 160 liter in capacity and it is a double door, you can see here, and it has a 1 year complete warranty. And if I will talking about the compressor warranty, so 10 years warranty on compressor. As you can see here, it is a 2-star model, so it is going to take 248 unit per year. And if you go to the down, so here you can see works without a stabilizer, so there is no need to put any stabilizer for that. It has a gray color, so you can see here it doesn't have a handle, it is without handle model, and it does not have also a lock system. It has a pocket handle, so you can see the pocket handle. Good finishing of this product, it looks very beautiful and very stylish. Let's go to enter the fridge. Here are some cells on the door, you can see here there are 4 cells, 1 2 and 3, and the last one is little bit small. So if I'll be talking about the shelf quality, so it has a good plastic if we compare to another brands, and the door quality is also very premium. You can easily put here 4 bottles, and if you go to the down, so there you can put petty things like fruity and all that. So let's go to the enter fridge. Here are some settings by which you can set your fridge temperature 1 to 7, and there are 3 cells in this fridge zone, and it is made by toughened glass. As soon as we go down here, you can see the fruit convertible and vegetable convertible, and a large box of fridge zone. There are nothing much features in this because it's a basic model, so it is not a convertible model. So there are a simple as like let's see the freezer. It is a freezing zone, and here are some settings manual by which you can set your freezing according to the temperature. And if I talk about the shelf of the freezer door, so here you will get 2 shelves. Plastic is good. And as soon as we go to enter the freezer, so here you will get the ice maker. And let me show you the when you complete the ice, so you can put it down on the tray like this, and here is a tray. After completing ice cubes, you can easily get from here. So good storage in freezer also, you can see. And here is a shelf by which you here put pots like something any. And what is this? Okay, this is egg tray by which you can put here 6 eggs. So this is all about this fridge. There is nothing more features in this because it's a basic model. So there are a lot of features in convertible model also. If you want to take more than feature from this fridge, so you will have to choose another model. So it is a basic model, so it will be around 22,000 in the market, but it may vary from market to market. I will be provide you the buying link in the description box, so that you can easily go there and find the product in online market. And we have also a website buybestprice.in, so you can also go there and check a lot of reviews about the home appliances. So that where there I have put the lot of features in AC and air coolers and many more things. And I have also made videos on these models, separate videos you can find. You just need to go to the playlist, and there you will be find all the models videos in single reviews. So this is all about the today from, and I will come with another video. Please subscribe the channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook, so like the Facebook page also. Thank you.